Gabriel Belander with Empire Builders. I'm heading over to restoration, mold remediation project that we're being called out to do a thorough inspection on some water damage caused by an AC unit. So we'll see you guys in a bit, folks. Thanks. Good evening, folks. Today it's September the 17th. It's on a Saturday. We're out here on an inspection for some restoration, mold remediation that happened on a 911. Apparently it was some damage from a AC unit. We came out this evening to take some moisture readings. As you can see, the section here over the header, we got some moisture readings here, 100%. Over this casing and header. We also got some up here in the ceiling that is already pre-identified. As you can see the water staying there. We got some on this side of the header as well. On this section here, we got a moisture reading here of 100%. We got some on this side on the right and some here on the left. Typically, to do a project like this, the most important thing is the containment. You can see this is a nice house, nice bedrooms. People are living here, so you have to contain this proper in order to do the demolition. Now, anyone can come in here and take on demolition work, but the importance of doing a project like this is the neatness, the cleanliness, and for debris not to go throughout the other sections of the home. So pretty much it's self-explanatory. As far as the water damage, we need to get a dehumidifier here as soon as possible. Now that's pretty much it. It's not a major I would say damage by water, but you got to consider this water being possibly a category 2. Anything with AC units and mechanical, you would consider category 2 as contamination of water. So that's pretty much it for this evening.